Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are going to talk about Google Vids. Now, Google Vids is one of the Google Workspace services which leverages Gemini for video creation. Now, I'm going to go over here, click on the start a new video. This starts with Gemini interface, allowing me to put up a prompt. I can select a ready-made template. I can record a video. I'm rather recording this video using Vids service itself. Uh, just to check how it works, right? And you can upload an existing video, use the tool for editing the video as well. Let's try out the prompt. So I've put up a prompt for a short video explaining key features of Google Vids. Now this is going to use the prompt and build a full outline for us around the video. It allows us to, modify the outline, add more to it, right? So again, at the back, LLM is being used to take the single line prompt and convert that into a full description or an outline for a good video to be created. I'm going to go to click next. I can select a theme for it, and then I can allow the AI tool to draft a video out of it. Right, so it is now going to go ahead and build it. So I'm going to add the video also, which AI generates for us inside the same recording which I'm doing, just to show how the video was built by AI. I've done this before, so I have a couple of recordings of this, and I'm going to share one of it, which one I like the best. So watch out the video. Let me know how did you like, the video creation service of Google Vids, right? And the video generation service of it. How did it perform? Did you like it or not? Just give me your opinion. Put it in the comment section. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and viewing this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye.
Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into Google Vids and exploring all the amazing features it offers. Let's start by understanding what Google Vids is and how it can help you with your video needs. Google Vids is a powerful new tool designed to make video creation simple and efficient for everyone. The primary purpose of Google Vids is to streamline video creation, collaboration, and distribution within the Google Workspace. Google Vids comes packed with features to enhance your video creation experience. You'll find a variety of video creation tools, making it easy to start from scratch or use templates. Editing capabilities are robust, allowing you to refine your videos with precision and ease. Collaboration is seamless, enabling teams to work together on video projects in real time. One of the standout features is its advanced AI integration, which simplifies many complex tasks. Google Vids can automatically generate video summaries, saving you time and effort. The AI also provides smart suggestions and editing help, making video creation smoother. Sharing and distributing your videos is straightforward with Google Vids. Easily share your videos within Google Workspace, ensuring seamless integration with your existing tools. You can also export and embed videos, giving you flexibility in how you use your content. Let's look at the benefits of using Google Vids. Google Vids streamlines your video workflows, making the entire process faster and more efficient. Enhanced team collaboration helps everyone stay on the same page and work together effectively. Google Vids is a game changer for anyone needing to create videos. It simplifies the process and enhances collaboration. Ready to take your video creation to the next level? Give Google Vids a try today.